What up guys, it's Johnny here and today I'm back with another video. And today I'm going to be actually making clear slime. Here, 1 minute guys. I'm going to turn the lights on so you guys can actually see. Okay, so what you're going to need for this video, for this clear slime, one 5-ounce clear bottle. You're going to need anything to stir. You're going to need warm water, baking soda, and saline solution. Let's get started. So you're going to want to open the clear glue, pour it in, I'm going to get as much as I can in here.
Hi guys, it's Jack here from It's Me Jack, and I'm just gonna watch Jonah make his slime.
And if I need help, I'll tell you, okay?
So you don't
That's
need,
about a cup.
so when you need it, you don't need that much saline solution, only maybe 1 squirt, and then add maybe half of how big this is. Maybe like a teaspoon for each glue bottle. That's good. Because the saline solution just makes it good.
So I got a knife.
And also, as you know, baking soda is not the best for making slime.
But I guess Jack
For
did
clear glue, it's really good. White glue, it doesn't work that good. So now I'm gonna take this to get it ready.
Wait, no, I'm gonna do it.
But just so you know how much.
I know. I'm just gonna do 1 more squirt of saline, guys. I'm gonna pour it. That's what it looks like. Probably can't see because it's just clear. Then I got this. Okay, put it back where it was.
Just show them how much is in there. About a quarter.
I'm gonna put a little more because it was dropping.
So just see what that does. That's how much I put into millions of words.
Definitely a lot.
Not all the way, like half of the way. Not even. A quarter. Don't feel it. That's good. So show them. Okay, good.
That's how much you really kind of need. Then good. Okay, put it back where it is.
I'm just gonna show them.
Okay, so I'm gonna stir it. Keep mixing. Getting a lot harder than I thought.
And then put it on the table when you're done. Play with it. If you need help, let me know.
It's actually getting pretty hard.
Now, over here, I'm gonna
Okay, so
I'm gonna use a spoonful of warm water, and then add that to help the board, or help the
saline and baking. Yeah, go together.
Not yet.
It's sticky.
I might need a little more baking soda. Actually, wait, because you know what? If you add too much, it's not gonna work. Add a little more saline.
A little more saline, guys.
Because if you add more saline, that's not gonna ruin it. But if you add more baking soda, it will. That's it. Don't want too much.
I'm just gonna wipe my hands quick. Okay.
Oh, there it goes. Now touch it.
Bro. Sorry guys, it got a little messy. I'm gonna add a little more baking soda.
Just enough to make it come together even more, but not enough to leave it. As you can see, it's really sticky.
Is Julian sticky?
Nope. It came together just like that. Now touch it, it should be really good. Oh.
I don't know. I'm gonna add a
water.
Yeah, that's what I was just gonna say. Add another.
We're eyeballing it.
Another little whole one.
That's good. That should be good. Now play with it as it's wet.
I'm just gonna like.
If you use that to mix it, it's not gonna help. Use your hands.
Wait, I'm gonna just add a little.
No, that's gonna mess it up.
Isn't saline solution what makes it not sticky? Maybe you need more of that.
We already tried.
That's all. That's all.
That's good. And that's our babysitter in the background.
Gonna pick it up. Ugh, sticky.
Sticky. I'm gonna put a little on your hands.
Then no, definitely a little more water.
No, the water's gonna mix it. This is what makes it non-sticky.
That's enough.
And like mix it in the bowl. Because the bowl has a lot of it in it.
Guys, if you do make this in the same method as I do, it might be a little sticky, but just add a lot of saline solution. It's sticky. It's not getting that sticky.
And if you want it to be clear, what you have to do is you have to leave it open overnight for 24 hours and it'll become clear and all the bubbles will go away. But you can't have the lid if you want to do that.
Okay, a little more. It's getting a lot more not sticky. It's actually getting better on this hand, not even
And once it doesn't get sticky, put it on the ground or on the table to show
not
them.
table.
Table, yeah. The wood.
Oh, it's getting so good.
Okay, smooth.
So if you're wondering, I did buy this from Target.
$4.70.
$4.70. No, I think $1.79.
Did you get clear glue?
Yeah.
Okay, so or no regular glue?
I didn't get regular glue. I got
Okay.
this is the clear.
And that's it?
Yep. It looks like white.
And keep adding saline if it's like sticky, and don't add baking soda because that'll definitely mess it up.
Okay. Just add saline until I'm gonna need it.
But it's actually good now. Here, I want to see something
Do
with
it.
it. Here, you could do
I'm
that.
gonna do a bubble.
Oh, that's what I wanted to do.
This is how we do it. I always forget because it's like really hard. And then you.
You want me to do it try shot?
Yeah.
What I do is I tap and then pull it up. Nope, this is hard. Wait, let me try one more time.
Okay, wait. I need to get this glue back in. So, all you really need for this, like I said, is a little more glue.
Yeah, clear glue is not that good.
I'm gonna just put it. Whoa!
Okay, so that's gonna be it for
Oh
this video.
no!
It can't be too long or it won't upload, so.
I'm gonna add a little more of this glue. Come on, you butt.
It's actually pretty stretchy.
There's like a little. Okay, guys.
Oh, it got all over me. It actually came out.
I'm gonna do it. Don't put this like on paper towels or like shirts because it will stick. It's not as clear I was gonna do it. I wanted it to be. I think it was the saline solution because the bubbles. I'm just gonna move this to the side. Okay, so we got. So, if you make bubbles, I don't think it's.
I told you.
I
Baking
know.
soda is good.
Where's
Look
Julian?
at-
Where's Julian's, guys?
It's even not sticky.
Julian's is not. Mine isn't, but Julian's is like. Hold. Let me see. Let me see if Julian's is like your bubble. He could do bubbles.
It's like perfect non-sticky.
Whose is that? This one? This is yours, Jordan?
It's in here.
It's not sticky, but it's really stretchy.
Mine's like warm, but
I
Julian's
was
is like
just
cold.
testing it out.
No, it's not going to upload if it's that long.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe.
See you
And if you
video.
do want to make this clear glue, you can. I'll leave the stuff down below if you want to make it. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe for more videos. And yeah, peace out, guys.